All right, I made it inside Michael's. So Michael's has a little bit of Easter going on. Look at that Easter, right? These pillows, of course, they are cute. They are $29.99. They got the yellow one, blue, pink, and a mint green. These are cute too. They're like flavored. This is flavor tea on there. They're 15. Let me pan in to show you them a little more better. Sweet macaroons, classic vanilla cookies. You have like the rain boot or like gardening boots, whatever you want to do. They are 15 as well. Some charger plates. Let me pull this out. These are only 4. And then on top, these are $8.99. $8.99 for that. These are kind of pretty, right? Even though they're paper. 5. You want the rose? They are $5.99. And many options to choose from, like a confetti. Do they still do a confetti? I didn't really see so much last year in Walmart, and they normally sell out really, really fast. Well, people break them.
I've never seen anybody use them though. I've never known anybody that has bought them, so I don't even know what they're for.
They're just for fun.
You
Funsies.
smash 'em?
Yeah. $29.99. You know, just smash them. Ta-da!
Yeah,
Look at these guys up here. Hello, Mr. Teapot Bunny. No price on him, but maybe the girl one has the price on it. So they will be 50. What? Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm sorry. People don't like to hear my opinion.
But even 25 is too much.
50 for this when you could go to Home Goods and they're not 50. The little figures.
Well,
That's crazy. When Home Goods is cheaper, that is crazy.
so when they push their fake sale like Kohl's does and it goes to 50% off, it'll still be 25, and that's still a lot for that.
25. And 20 for this. But
How little these are? Yeah.
I can't get over that 50. You know what I see being 50 at Home Goods though?
Huge.
Something huge. And you're like, oh, that huge thing's 50, not bad for the how big it is. But no. Yeah.
Stuff,
15.
This is like a $10, $15 item at Home Goods.
We'll say $12.99.
Well, yeah, between 10 and 15. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't see this for 20 at all either.
Little Eiffel Tower, kind of like glass ornament. Those are $12.99. More bunnies here. These are going to be 10. They have different color egg options for you, like yellow, bunny in a basket. These are 10. 10. Happy Easter up here. That is 17. Still kind of crazy. There's some dishes. I haven't seen dishes in Home Goods yet. These are 25.
They're standing on macaroni.
Yeah, 25. This is more of a matte finishing. These are 10. And we have like these little flower bowls. They are 5. 5 and 7 in Canada. You want a bunny ear bowl with a little tail. This is going to be 17.
You know, I don't think of Easter and Paris going together. Paris seems to always be associated with Valentine's Day.
15. I don't know.
That they're doing it with Easter.
Yeah.
Unless they're just trying to get rid of their Valentine's Day stuff.
This doesn't look Valentine's Day. It looks very springy.
Just like this. Just like the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. I mean, Valentine's Day is over here and they are 50% off. And it looks like these are going to light up. They are, let's see if I can find the price. Looks like they're about 15. I wonder if each one is a different price. I like this frog guy. He's going to light up. He's cutie. I believe they all might be 15. Yep, 15. It doesn't matter. There's a garden boot one, a mushroom, strawberry, but they have the bee right here. I like the frog. I think our neighbors might like this when it goes on discount.
Which one are these? Yeah.
because they're very DIY crafty ladies. Look at this Garland here. Garland's 20. These are 25. 25. This little bead eggy one is 15. This is 20. This is kind of cute. This is 10.
Was just a botanical forest sign for Paris.
Yeah.
It didn't say like Happy Easter.
This is 20. Those are cute. Okay. Let me continue to walk around. They have a lot of Christmas still. 80% off, but it doesn't look like in my location people are buying. No one's really buying. It's just kind of weird. Normally it's gone. Okay, I didn't see these bunny pillows down here. They got the bunny pillows. Look at this right here. That is going to be $29.99.
Christmas over there.
Yeah. They got the disco bunny down here. This disco guy, he is 35 bucks. That is cheaper in Home Goods. That's crazy. Okay, I kind of like this table cover. It's 10 because normally I try to look for a fun table cover because like I usually just put like food spread because my kids are older. So I always try to do something fun. What day does Easter land on? Is it on a weekend?
It's always on a Sunday.
20. Got the flute here. These are 10. Pink. The egg is $5.99.
April 20th.
20, but what day? Got a pig one, bunny.
It's always Sunday, baby.
These are cute too.
So it's Easter Sunday.
40. I'm just trying to think when who has school so we could go.
Oh, yeah.
These are lights. Got the chick. Let me pan back in. Bunny. Carrots. They are going to be 15. This chick with the big feet. How funny. But this guy's cute. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Chicken Little.
Yeah. And there's always that one kid when you're growing up in school that kind of looks like that. Yeah.
Don't be rude. Here's the Easter one. And that is 20. And a colorful. And that is 25. Oh, they got gumballs. 25. This will be cheaper in TJ Maxx and Marshalls when you find it, you guys. Trust me, that'll be cheaper over there. Salt and pepper shaker. These are 10. 10 for the spreader. And they got the chicks, a little more chicks. So it looks like they're still stocking. A ribbon here. This ribbon behind me is like a moss bunny. This guy is 20. Got the little egg wreath for 20. Little garland twine, 15. Don't forget the cross. And some larger bunnies. Like this is 150, but I feel like you could find this for 50 bucks. I was thinking that would be like 50, you know? Really cute.
Yeah, that would be in Home Goods. Probably
7.
closer to 50.
These are 7 here. Not the large ones. Or medium. Medium 17. And the large. Walmart had these last year for I think 15 or 20. This is 50 bucks. Yeah. So if you find this in Walmart, you guys, it will be cheaper. I'm sorry, Michaels. This is what I never get sponsors in my life. I would love to make some extra money, but I don't fit in that category.
We're too brutally honest for sponsors.
No, I'm not mean, but I'm just like, wow. Hey, I kind of like this chair. It looks like a painting chair, like a painter's chair. You know, they have that chair where they put their paint bucket on all the time and they step on it. 17 looks like a painter's chair. I have a ladder that looks like that at home. It's the painting ladder. Okay, these are more bunnies. These are 10. You got the carrots right here. Welcome to our garden, hand-picked daily. You know what I don't see? The bunnies, the vintage looking ones that look like they're chocolate mold. Maybe they'll bring out. Maybe they'll bring them out. And that pillow. Oh, these are kind of cool.
I'm glad they're doing some new stuff this year.
Yeah.
Usually, that's always the same.
This is 20. These are cool.
Those are pretty,
Yeah.
sun catchers or whatever.
These are a little different. And that was it for Easter. Like, these are 25.
Mossy mushrooms.
Mossy mushrooms. They're $5.99 on the mossy. They have flower. These like a heart.
Do you eat them or smoke them?
You don't. Be quiet. Stop talking. What does this say? Age? No idea.
It says a lot of nothing.
Looks like someone's trying to spell something.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny. Oh, I like how they have the at and an hat. Okay. Oh no, I think this might do it. Now these are 40% off now. That's funny. Some more mossy stuff. This is $12.99. Okay, look at this guy. He's 15. It's like a mossy swan. You want the snail? 15. So I feel like they all might be 15. Oh my gosh, they have the shoe. That's kind of funny. I like the piano. Piano's 15. I don't know, it's just so different. Piano. This says 33 right here. And the purse is 15. Some mossy wreath. Not a lot of fairy stuff. They used to. You know who used to? I think Big Lots used to do quite a bit of like fairy stuff. But we don't have that anymore. That's 20. I'll show you this. There's 7. 7 as well. Look, quite a bit of fairies. Here's a little heart. This is 10. And the homes, the bench. $20. This is me at work. Come on. I like him. I don't know why. He is a 25 bucks. And some more faux plants. Let me pan out so you can see a little better. A lot of greenery. The disco is 20. Yeah, so everything here for Valentine's Day is 40% off. A lot of the boxes. They have beads in here, foam stickers, love, sweet on you. Sweet on you, that's funny. Candles are 40% off. Let me walk around. Oh, that flicker. A carrot basket, $29.99. Oh no, the poor bunnies. You're gonna cage it up. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that big chubbo bear? He was like 500 and something pounds that was hiding underneath somebody's home from the fires. But they got him out. Oh my god, what a sweetheart. Like, he just looked like you could just like pet him, but he was living under somebody's home.
They say he's too big to tranquilize too.
But they did move him.
Feed him.
Yeah, they got him chicken and all types of stuff, and then you just see him coming out of the little hole. I don't know how the heck this big tubbo and this little square thing just climbing out like nothing. It's just all fur. It's just all fur, and they're really skinny. Oh yeah, tons of clearance. I mean, I don't like it personally, but that could be another reason why nobody's buying it, you know? Maybe they're not a fan of the Santa guy. Alright, you guys, I made it back up to the front. Believe that's gonna do it for this Michael's location. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.